Hey everybody, this is my mother of thousands plant, and I'm going to be repotting it today because it has been in this container for at least 2 years now, and just kind of want to see what the roots look like and everything. Also, part of the reason is because it's about 20 inches tall now, and it is in 2 different pots currently and falling over because it's so tall. So I just have a terracotta 5-inch pot that I'm going to transfer it into, and hopefully that will help since it is a succulent. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add a couple of rocks, partially for drainage, also just to save some soil. Then I'm going to add this cactus and succulent mix. Just a little bit for now. And because these are growing out of 2 different containers, it kind of complicates things. It makes it a lot more difficult to manage this. Okay, so like I said, the root systems are not super extensive. They're fairly small for having been in this pot for 2 years. So I'm going to transfer them over to the new container now. And make sure that the poles keeping them upright are buried enough. And normally you would not, reuse soil, but I am going to because this plant is technically a weed and I'm not overly concerned. Okay, so I kind of made a mess over here with all this dirt, but I have it repotted now, and at some point I'm probably gonna have to stake this a little higher, get a higher stick or something, but for now this will be fine. I could even just trim off the higher part and just plant it in the same pot, and it would probably be fine. These are very prolific, which is why they're considered a weed in some areas. Also, being that it's a succulent, I'm not going to water it in. I'm going to let it sit until the soil is more or less completely dry again.